Hi, Book Monster Mitch. Today's video. Yesterday, I was watching Garfield and Friends. Oh, to Garfield and Friends. So after that, I'll watch maybe 3 or 4 episodes. They're only about 20 minutes a piece. I watched them on Paramount Plus, by the way. After that, actually, few hours after that, I got to thinking of another cartoon similar to Garfield and Friends, uh, but a different cartoon at the same time. The way these two cartoons are similar, Garfield and this other cartoon have Orange Cat in the lead, and they have at least a couple of different segments of the main character and that cast of characters, and another segment of a completely different cast of characters. Now, the other cartoon in question is Heathcliff, another orange cat, uh, another animated show, and both cartoons were were comic strips to begin with. So, like I said, similar but different. And they also have different segments of Garfield and Heathcliff and whatever they going through for the day or at the time. And then Garfield has another segment, or maybe two other segments, I'm not sure, of a totally different cast of characters, of animals on a farm, a pig, a rooster, a duck, a couple of chickens. Well, actually, a chicken and a unhatched egg of a chicken. Uh, and it goes through with what they have going on that farm setting. And then Heathcliff has, again, his segment or his portion of him and the rest of his cast. And then I'll believe somebody correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Some cats, some other cats in another portion, uh, in a junkyard type setting, and what they have going on. So, yeah, I just randomly thought of Heathcliff after watching a few episodes of Garfield. Now, I don't know if Heathcliff has any episodes somewhere on a streaming service I just randomly yesterday came across Garfield on Paramount, but just a random, thought came to me after watching that of a similar show or cartoon, whatever. So let me know. Did you watch either of these shows? Which one do you prefer? Honestly, it's a toss up for me. Wasn't a fan of either one. So whichever I can find or whichever's on, I'll watch it. Just, hey, that's on. I gotta stop and watch it. You know. But yeah, like I said, let me know in the comments if you prefer Garfield or Heathcliff. And also let me know any other cartoons or whatever, Saturday morning cartoons, Nickelodeon cartoons, whatever, uh, that you grew up watching. For me, it was, I'm part of Generation X, as I've mentioned. So for me, it was shows like Transformers, uh, Garfield, Ninja Turtles, Smurfs, a lot of others. But that's all I've got for this video. Just, I don't know what else. I thought I had something else to say, but I really don't. Thank you. Have a good day, good evening, and I'll come back to you soon with other videos. Thanks so much.